Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Ram Gorathe. I am from Ratnagiri. I have completed BE in Electronics and Telecommunication from Mumbai University. Today is 24 November. My topic name is break statement and continuous statement in Java. Break statement and continuous statement in Java are used to control flow of program. We can use them. We can use them to control loop iteration. First, a break statement. Break statement are used to exit loop irrespective while a condition is true or false. Whenever a break encounter uh, whenever a break encounter inside the loop, the control is sent outside the loop. That time break statement are completely exit the loop. We can use break statement in all type of loop, such as break statement with inner loop, break statement with labeled loop, break statement with while loop, break statement with do while loop, break statement with for loop. Second, continuous statement. Continuous statement is used immediately move to the next iteration of the loop. Continuous statement are used to skip a particular iteration of the loop. We can use we can use continuous statement all type of loops, such as continuous statement with inner loop, continuous statement with labeled loop, continuous statement with for loop, continuous statement with do while loop, continuous statement with while loop. The difference between break statement and continuous statement is a break statement leave the loop and continuous statement is jump to the next iteration. Thank you.